Mirk and rainy is the nicht, there's no a staurn in o' the carry. Lightning's gleam athwart the left, and winds drive away winter's fury. Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Let me in, for lood the linn is roarin' o'er the warlock's Craigie. Fearfu soughs the boortree bank, the rifted wood roars wild and dreary. Lood the iron yett does clank, and cry of hoolits makes me eerie. Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Let me in, for lood the linn is roarin' o'er the warlock's Craigie. Abune ma breath a daurnae speak, for fear a rouse your waukrife daddy. Cauld the blast upon my cheek, oh rise, rise, my bonny lady. Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Oh, are ye sleeping, Maggie? Let me in, for lood the linn is roarin' o'er the warlock's Craigie. She oped the door, she let him in. He kissed aside his dreepin' plaidie. Blow your worst, ye rain and wind, since Maggie knew I'm in aside ye. No, since you're wakin', Maggie, no, since you're wakin', Maggie, what care I for hoolits cry, for boortree bank or warlock Craigie?